Hello everyone, today we will be using paints. Take 2 shades of blue and then 2 shades of green and smudge it as such. Proceed to take a straw and cut it into multiple small bits as shown above. Dip it in white paint and make these shapes all over. You can also dip it in other colors to add more color to the page. We have chosen yellow and white. Take a earbud to add more detail to what are going to be our flowers. So then take a green paint and then add stems to each of these flowers. Add brown to symbolize the insides of the flowers and then take any sort of cotton or thick part and make clouds out of them. You can also add grass at the bottom. Next, take your paintbrush, dip it in green paint and make long grass. Take the paintbrush once again and add pink leaves or petals to the grass. Add the centers, following which you will take another paintbrush and add leaves to each of these flowers. Add some grass at the bottom. For our next craft, put splotches of yellow paint all over the black paper and add white petals. Add little specks of orange to add more detail. Following this, you will add the stems for each of the flowers by using the paintbrush. You can add more flowers coming out of the side as shown above, and you can add them in different shapes and sizes as well. You can add various colors to add more detail. Sprinkle some paint around. Next, take some blue paint and then smudge it all over the paper, followed by green paint with different shades. Once you have done this, take a sponge and draw a big red circle in the middle. Add individual petals to each of this in yellow to make a sunflower. After you are done with this, you can add small details like adding orange to add more character to your painting. Add little specks of yellow to the center, following which you will add the stem, and there you have it, your very own sunflower. Add more dots to make it more realistic in the center and add little bits of grass all over the painting. You may also add small little flowers around it. Take the sponge and make clouds. For our next painting, we will be taking dark blue first and then taking green at the bottom and different shades. Smudge all of this paint and then add stems coming from the base. Add circles to the stems to symbolize the center of the flower and then add petals of any color of your choice. We have chosen to do white. Repeat this process until all the flowers have been completed. Following this, you will add little leaves to each of the stems of your flowers and then you will add smaller flowers all around to add more detail to your painting. Following this, you will sprinkle small little white paint all over your painting just to add more character to it. Now, for our next painting, we will take a light blue sheet of paper, take some sponge, add some circles, and add petals to each of these circles to make flowers. Over the purple paint, you may also add pink paint to add more depth and color to your painting. Repeat this process for each of the flowers and then add stems for each of the flowers. Add leaves to each of these stems, and following which, you may add grass to the bottom. Paint in different directions to add more depth and then add color dots all over and clouds. For our next painting, we will be taking different colors as seen. Use yellow for the center of the flower and then proceed to use any colors you may want. We have chosen pink, purple, blue as you can see, and then add stems to each of your flowers. Never forget to add the leaves of the flowers to make them look more realistic and add grass at the bottom. Taking the same sponge, you can make the sun at the top. Following this, add some clouds. For our next craft, we will take a black sheet of paper and draw branches stemming from the corner. You may do this in brown or a very light shade of pink as seen. Make white circles all around and add yellow spots in the middle of these circles to make them look like flowers. Cut a straw into multiple pieces, dip it in yellow paint and put it in the center as seen above. Add leaves to add more character to your painting. You may add small mini flowers wherever you please. And there you have it. For our next drawing, take a yellow sheet of paper and start off by drawing long grass at the bottom of the page. Fill this grass in by taking a lighter shade of green and adding more depth to it. Take any shade you like and make circles all over these long stems of grass. To add more, you can draw a bee in the side. Thank you for watching.